Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you some of the administration tools that we have available on ThoughtFarmer FormFlow. When I'm in the forms viewer here, I'm going to find the form I want to take a closer look at, the staff event sign up one, click on the ellipses and go in edit mode to take a closer look. So within edit mode you'll see this preview button here. Next to it is this arrow here, which when you click it will expand and show you a few other options and further details about your form. Over here, we can see all of the associated pages. So these are essentially all of the pages on your ThoughtFarmer Internet that are using this particular staff event signup form. And this can be useful if you have several different office locations. And now here you can see which one in all of these different office locations is using these forms for organizing different staff events. So that means that if you wanted to change something on this form, you can go ahead and give these people a heads up to make sure that they know that you've made some changes to the form. In this case, they're all owned by the same person, me, but in reality, there might be quite a few different form managers out there. So now we're going to go and take a look at the activity here. And now I can instantly see a complete history of all of the changes that were made to a form. So as you can see, this is extremely detailed. Every little thing that is changed goes into this activity view, and it's almost like a mini audit trail for my form here. Lastly, I wanted to take a look at reporting. So I'm going to go back to my forms overview, and we'll take a look at our contractor database form here. Any form that has been launched, you will see a bar chart here, that icon right up here, that indicates that there are a few statistics available for that form. So if I click on it, it's going to show you some high-level reporting information. Things like what is the average time to close an entry in the contractor database form? Who are the people who have some entries that they need to take a look at? How many forms are in the different statuses that you have defined for this form? So just some overall high-level information that gives you some sort of like a health check on how that form is doing.